I have a business trip today. I arrived too early and have to wait half an hour. I bought a mousse to try. This seems to be a curry chicken burger. It looks like this one opened. Let me take a bite. It looks like this inside after a bite. The curry flavor is quite strong. It costs $110. It's not very expensive. However, if it's a set meal it would cost over $200. I think that 3 o'clock is fine. Personally, I don't really like fried food. And I brought some black tea today, so I don't need an extra drink.